In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple maps to one sheet in Tableau, and you'll be mastering this in about 5 minutes. Understanding how to display more than one map on a single sheet can be incredibly useful for comparative analyses and to present various data dimensions simultaneously. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open the Tableau public app. If it's not already installed, you can quickly download it from the Tableau public website. Once you have the app running, access your worksheet. This is where you're going to create the magic of multiple maps. Now, to get started, look at your data source and locate the field labeled State. What we will do here is drag the State field to the Details shelf within the Marks card. This action will tell Tableau to break down the data views by each state, which is fundamental for visualizing maps at the subnational level. Next, we'll repeat a similar process with the Country field. Drag the Country field over to the Details shelf in the Marks card, just as you did with State. By doing this, you ensure that your data is organized and mapped at both the state and country levels, showing two layers of data simultaneously. The third step entails adding a color dimension to your map view. For this, we'll use the Sales field. Click and drag the Sales field, placing it on the color shelf in the Marks card. As you do this, you'll see the map visual update to reflect the sales data visually, using color gradients to depict variations and patterns. Now let's get into adding more maps to the same sheet. Look for the latitude field in your dataset and drag it to the rows shelf. You'll do this twice. Dragging latitude to rows twice will stack multiple maps vertically, giving you room for two additional map views to present different data insights without cluttering a single sheet. On the second map, we are going to alter the data visualized. Instead of sales, we're going to switch it up to profit. Select the color option in the Marks card of the second map and replace sales with profit. Watch as the map updates to show profitability, which can yield intriguing insights when compared side by side with sales data. Lastly, let's direct our attention to the third map on the sheet. Here, we will replace sales with quantity so you can explore yet another perspective on your data. By changing what each map is visualizing, you're afforded the ability to analyze different data dimensions in a cohesive visual format. And there you have it. You've successfully utilized Tableau's capabilities to add multiple maps to one sheet, providing a comprehensive view of data across various metrics. With these skills, you can present comparative and detailed insights effortlessly in your data storytelling. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you leverage Tableau's powerful features.